personally, Poco's favorite animals are man's best friends, which are dogs. So I'm going to ask him to do a dog. A dog go woof, right? So can you be a dog? You go woof, woof. Very good. Yeah, can I get one more time? Can I get a woof, woof? Very good, little guy. Now, for the second thing Poco hopefully has learned is that if he wants extra treats, he's got to be a little nicer to me because you don't get treats when you're biting me all the time, right, bud? So I want a more affectionate side of you. So what's more affectionate than a kiss? So can you blow me a kiss? Thank you. Now can I get a kiss? Very good, little guy. Very good. Now, Poco here hopefully has learned the most important thing that every bird should know, and that is he's a very pretty bird because they're all beautiful and they should know that. Now, Bud, are you a pretty birdie? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Everyone give a little round of applause for baby Poco. Very good, little buddy. You